Hi everyone, I wanted to give you an update what we'll be working on this month on Patreon. So you voted for a weapon slash or swipe and I've created this for you. We'll do first the mesh in Houdini, more like a generator for our swipes. So you could probably use this for different type of swipes. Maybe you wanted to have something shorter or longer. You'll be able to just tweak a couple parameters and just get the mesh out of Houdini. The next thing what we're gonna do, we wanna create some similar probably generator in Substance. So you'll be moving sliders and getting like a different results with that generator. And then we're just gonna jump into the engine and create this animation montage, because we probably wanna apply our swipe to be visible from different angles, like on the character you see actually on my screen right now, just to see how it looks and how it performs in the different angles. So we're gonna create this animation montage, and then we're probably gonna create those sparks that happens when he actually smashes his sword with his shield. We're probably gonna do something similar in Unity. I'm not sure if I'll get access to similar character. I'll try to get similar character, but I think I might not be able to, so I'm just going to use one of the characters I have in my library in Unity, which will be probably something a bit more stylized than this character. And yeah, we're just going to have a fun with the shaders, materials and particle systems, to be honest. Let me show you the other side of the screen. I started working on some color variations as well. So as you can see, we're gonna end up having a lot of variations and a lot of techniques for the material as well. So let me just frame this guy and I'm gonna show you the material. Right, so in the material, let me change the texture to something like this maybe. And I'm gonna tweak a couple parameters to make it a bit more smooth. And we'll be able to tweak the contrast and get basically a different results with those swipes. So let me change the texture to something else like this. As you can see, there's a lot of lines in this texture, so it depends what kind of style you are going for, but basically you'll be able to achieve different looks with those textures and those meshes as well. Right, let me pick another texture, maybe something a bit more flamey like that one. As you can see, we got some really nice noise on that texture, some nice visuals as well, and obviously we can make it a bit more stylized by just tweaking a couple parameters at the engine. Cool, let me get something else, maybe this one. And the last one I want to show you. Let's try maybe that one. So I think that one's got really nice shapes, and we can tweak the parameters and get something a bit more stylized. Or if you want something a bit more sharper, you could just increase those parameters as well. Okay. So yeah, that's the parameters we're gonna end up having in our material. So first tutorial we're gonna do will be available to everyone. It will be on YouTube as well. It will be about the weapon slash swipes in Houdini. The next thing will be the texture generator in Substance. And last thing I just want to mention that I'm actually working on a course that will be like a effect based in Unreal Engine and probably in Unity as well, and it should be available to everyone, not just for for my patrons. It should be available somewhere around March next year, hopefully. It depends how it will go, but I'm aiming for March. Obviously my patrons gonna get this course a little bit earlier, but I think my deadline to finish that one will be March. Alright, so thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for watching.